Okay, welcome to the next one then. And this one we're looking at, it's called 4 series 2. It says given two integers, a and b, print all the numbers from a to b inclusively again in reverse order. Okay, so this time a is going to be less than b, or in decreasing order if a is greater than b. Okay, so we have to decide if it's going to be less than or greater than, and we have to do two different options. So if it's a is less than b, then we do decreasing order, and if b is greater than, inclusively increasing order if a is less than b, or in decreasing order if it's greater than b. Okay, so yeah, we have to make a decision. So we're going to use our if statements to do that. We're going to have a look at how we look at doing that one. Okay, so let's have a go. Okay, so if a is greater than b, then we print all the numbers inclusively in an increasing order. If a is less than b, then we go in a decreasing order, or if a greater than b equals to b. Okay, so if a is greater than b, we go in the increasing order. So for example, if it's 8 and 5, we go 8, 7, 6, 5. So it's less than, or decreasing order. Okay, so let's have a look. Okay, so we go in increasing order if a is less than b, and decreasing order if a is greater than b. Okay, so we want to have those two values again. If we have one already here, so we can take that one, and then we need a b then as well. B equals int, because we want a number again, input, again there it is, brackets. So now we're going to have an if statement. If a is greater than b, then we're going to do for I in range a comma b plus 1, again like same as we did before, plus 1. I'm going to make sure I put my two dots in there. Print I. Okay, else we go back to here, make sure you write else there, two dots. We're going to do the opposite way around. So for I in range, let's spell it correctly, a to b, but this time we want to go to b minus 1, and we want to go in an increment of minus 1. Okay, so we want to go down this time instead of up. Again, two dots, print I. Okay, so this extra bit we've added here means we can decide if we want to go up or down depending on how much we've done. So basically it'll do it. It will make sure that it'll go down by 1 each time. So let's test it out. Okay, so we're going to put in 8 here, 5. So it should do 8, 7, 6, 5. And you'll see something else happens here. Okay, so it didn't work that time. So if a is greater than b, I is print I in range. So let's have a look and see what was wrong there. Okay, so I see my mistake there. This should be a less than, because we want to go, if a is less than b, we want to go the right direction, so or down. So yeah, it only goes down because a was greater than b. It's not going to work. So again, let's try run that. Type in 8 and 5, and there we go. Okay, we have them all in a list like this, but we want them all in one line like this. And to do that in Python, you just do comma and equals speech marks and then a space. So I can take that and copy it and do the same here, comma, space. Okay, so now it's going to print it all in one line instead of going to each line. So let's try that again. 8 and 5, and there we go. So 8, 7, 6, 5. Let's check our answer and see. There we go, we made it. Okay, see you in the next one.